This presentation is about cyberbullying and digital drama.
The next slide is about race, sexuality, religion, other, appearance. 1's 25, 17, 15, 15, 11, 20, 61.
These are some of the things that could hurt people online: sending mean texts, breaking someone's cell phone, hacking to someone else's social networking profile, or gaming. Being rude or mean to someone online is not alright, and spreading secrets or rumors about other people. Here's one of the examples: someone sending a text to someone, calling them a loser is not really nice.
Some of these words in this circle can hurt people, such as lying, teasing, insults, or rumors. Say this is a video.
This is a video. Here's a thing that's not posted on online. Going to Africa, hope I don't get AIDS. Just kidding, I'm white. That is not something nice to say on the internet about someone's racist.
Negativity of any kind can hurt people just by simply saying, I hate you, can hurt somebody or upset their feelings.
When someone says something, it can never go away. It's always on there, so don't hide anything. Just don't say anything at all. This is the last video we got.
That's it, folks.